started.
Welcome back to Taste Testing with Ayden. Today we're gonna be trying these Takis. I don't know what that name of them are.
Weird.
Crunchy fajita?
Yeah.
Crunchy fajita. You wanna open them, Justin? I bet they're gonna be better than the last one I just did.
Hey, thanks, Maria.
Thank you, Maria.
They smell good.
Are you
Smell
ready?
good.
You grab one. And love each other, bro.
1, 2, 3.
Mm. I don't even know if there's any words to describe it. It doesn't taste like a fajita.
No. Have you ever had ramen noodles?
Yep.
It tastes like somebody took a corn curl, wet it, then rolled it around in the shrimp flavored ramen noodles.
Are you ready? Are you ready to be honest with them? What do we think that this one deserves? Maybe a 1 out of 10.
Ooh.
You could do better, Takis. I'm sorry. You could do better.
Yeah,
That burns.
I agree.
Well, the truth hurts, so. And they want the honesty. Give them honesty.
I'm with him. These are, eh.
Yeah, they're They're like what Justin said.
Eh.
Yeah.
All right.
Bye. Bye, guys. And we love you guys, and we're sorry, Takis, but these are not the best ones yet. Bye.